Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am continuing with the Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. And if you are new at my channel, please go to the description box where I provided the link of my previous video on Kinnaur district. So first is important place of Kinnaur. So Chini is an important place and is very relevant in Kinnaur district. It is a tehsil of Kinnaur. Not right now, but in previous it was the tehsil of Kinnaur. This tehsil formed in 1895. In which year it is formed? In 1895. Has also been the headquarter of Kinnaur. At that time it is the headquarter of Kinnaur. Now the headquarter of Kinnaur is Riqongpio. It was the favorite residence of Lord Dalhousie. So Lord Dalhousie had built the Hindustan-Tibet road while in Chini. When the Lord Dalhousie is in Kinnaur, he built the Hindustan-Tibet road. So 1895 में गठित यह तहसील किन्नौर का मुख्यालय भी रहा है. यह लॉर्ड डलहौजी का पसंदीदा निवास स्थान था. लॉर्ड डलहौजी ने चीनी में रहते हुए हिंदुस्तान तिब्बत सड़क का निर्माण करवाया था. सो नेक्स्ट इज आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस किन्नौर फॉर्म the Chini Tehsil of Mahasur district. Actually, Chini is the Tehsil and the district is Mahasur. It comes under the Mahasur district. स्वतंत्रता के बाद किन्नौर ने महासू जिले की चीनी तहसील का गठन किया. So next is prior to the merger of state on the eve of independence, Kinnaur Valley was a part of erstwhile Bushehr state, which had its headquarters at Rampur. Before that, it was the part of Bushehr state. So आज़ादी की पूर्व राज्य के विलय से पहले किन्नौर घाटी पूर्व बुशहर राज्य का हिस्सा था, जिसका मुख्यालय रामपुर में था. And next is early history relating to the Kinnaur. Emperor Kanishka. Hegemony spread over Kashmir and the Central Asian region of Kashgar, Yarkand and Khaton. His hold extended up to the territory of Inner Himalaya, and Kinnaur must have been the part of his emperor. सम्राट कनिष्क का आधिपत्य कश्मीर और काशगार, यरकंड और खातौन के मध्य एशियाई क्षेत्रों में फैला था. विच प्लेस? दैट इज काशगर, यरकंड और खातौन. इनर हिमालय और किन्नौर के क्षेत्र तक उनकी पकड़ इस साम्राज्य का हिस्सा रही होगी. दैट इज नाउ हु इज एम्पायर कनिष्क. आई विल गिव यू ओवरव्यू ऑफ दैट एम्पायर. दैट इज ही वॉज द ruler of Kushan dynasty and ruled in 2nd century. So we talk about the early history. So next is King Samudragupta. King Samudragupta, that is belongs to the Gupta dynasty, and he is a son of Chandragupta I. So King Samudragupta northern boundary was along the high Himalayas. Kinnaur must have been included in too. राजा समुद्रगुप्त की उत्तरी सीमा उच्च हिमालय के साथ थी. इसमें किन्नौर को भी शामिल किया गया होगा. So next is Kinnaur was also part of King Harsha territory. King Harsha is very important. And Kinnaur was also the part under the reign of Harsha territory. किन्नौर राज्य हर्ष के क्षेत्र का भी हिस्सा था. So next is fourth point. Particularly the area between Satluj, its tributaries, and Baspa up to Mansarovar was under the rule of Thakurs from very early times. खास तौर पर सतलुज और उनकी सहायक नदियों और बसपा के बीच मानसरोवर के बीच का क्षेत्र बहुत शुरुआती समय से ही ठाकुरों के शासन में था. So that is relating to the how the Kinnor is under the reign of the Thakurs. They rules in Kinnor at that time. So next is they were known by the place they had occupied, like Chini Thakur and Kamru Thakur. Kamru is a very prominent place and in the Kinnor, and Chini is now not in name. Under the overall sojourners of Mauryan and the Gupta kings later on. उन्हें उस स्थान से जाना जाता था जिस पर उन्होंने मौर्य और गुप्त राजाओं की समग्र रूप से चीनी ठाकुर और कामरी ठाकुर की तरह कब्जा कर लिया था. So that is relating to Chini Thakur and Kamru Thakur. So next is it was the Thakur of Kamru who proved strongest of all other chief of the area and annexed their territory by force sometime after the fall of Kannauj Emperor. It was who is the Thakur of Kamru, who is very powerful, strongest among all the Thakurs, and taken over the territory after the fall of Kannauj Emperor. When the Kannauj Empire falls, then the territory is taken over by the Thakur of Kamrus and belonged till the dissolution of the state very recently. So next is medieval history, that is Madhyakalin Itihas. So now I complete all the very important facts or relating to the early history of Kinnor. Now I am continued with the medieval. By the beginning of 14th century, the entire area of Kinnor was divided into 7 parts, locally called Satkund. So by the beginning of 14th century, so it is called Satkund because of Kinnor was divided into the 7 parts. 14वीं शताब्दी की शुरुआत तक किन्नौर का पूरा क्षेत्र 7 भागों में विभाजित था, जिसे स्थानीय रूप में सतकुंड कहा जाता था. So next is Raja Chetar Singh, who brought the whole area of erstwhile Bushehr state under his control. He was considered most virtuous ruler during his reign. So which ruler is called the very virtuous ruler at that time in Kinnor? That is Raja Chetar Singh. So राजा चतर सिंह, जिन्होंने अपने अधीन पूरे बुशहर राज्य के पूरे क्षेत्र को अपने नियंत्रण में ले लिया था, वह अपने शासनकाल के दौरान सबसे अधिक गुणी और शासक माने जाते थे. So next is it is said that one Raja Ram Singh made Rampur his capital in place of Sarahan and Kamru. One Raja named Raja Ram Singh made his capital Rampur instead of Sarahan or Kamru. During his reign, a series of contests began with the Raja of Kullu and Bushehr and lost the territory of Siraj. Now Siraj is in Mandi. कहा जाता है कि एक राजा राम सिंह ने सराहन और कामरू के स्थान पर रामपुर को अपनी राजधानी बनाया था. उसके शासनकाल के दौरान कुल्लू के राजा के साथ प्रतियोगिताओं की एक श्रृंखला शुरू हुई और बुशहर ने सिराज का क्षेत्र खो दिया था. So as we know that Siraj, which is a constituency of our CM, that is Jairam Thakur, it is in Mandi. So next is, it seems that the territories which were annexed by the Raja Kehri Singh, became free during the weak rule of Raja Rudra Singh, but his successor Ugar Singh took them over by the force of arms. So the area that is captured by Raja Kehri Singh has lost by the Raja Rudra Singh because of his weak rule. So but his successor name is Ugar Singh took over by the force of arm. ऐसा लगता है कि राजा कहरी सिंह ने जिन प्रदेशों पर कब्जा किया था वे राजा रुद्र सिंह के कमज़ोर शासन के दौरान स्वतंत्र हो गया, लेकिन उनके उत्तराधिकारी उग्र सिंह ने उन्हें हथियारों के बल पर काबू कर लिया था. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video and hope you all enjoy it. And next that is modern history that is covered in next video. So be with me and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.